Have you ever wondered which AI tool is better? Today, we're diving into GPT-4 all versus anything LLM. Both of these tools help you generate text using advanced AI. They can assist with writing, answering questions, and even creating stories. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with GPT-4all. This tool is known for its versatility. It can handle a wide range of topics and provide detailed responses. Users appreciate its ability to understand context, making conversations feel more natural. It's designed for both casual users and professionals, which makes it quite popular. Now, let's look at anything LLM. This tool focuses on providing quick and concise answers. It's great for users who need information fast. Anything LLM is user friendly and often praised for its straightforward interface. It's ideal for those who want quick replies without too much fluff. What are the main differences between these two? GPT-4 all tends to be more flexible and detailed, while anything LLM is quicker and simpler. If you want in-depth responses, GPT-4 all is your go-to, but if you prefer speed and efficiency, anything LLM might be the better choice. When it comes to features, GPT-4 all offers a wide array of options, including customization. Anything LLM, on the other hand, keeps things simple with fewer features but focuses on speed. In terms of pricing, both tools have different structures. GPT-4 all may have more tiers based on usage, while anything LLM often offers a straightforward plan. So, which one should you choose? If you need detailed and nuanced responses, go for GPT for all. But if you value speed and simplicity, anything LLM is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.